Extremely rare footage was captured in Thailand and Indonesia. A helmeted hornbill couple is selecting their nest cavity. The birds are partners for life. But their nesting behavior might also be their undoing. A pair shares an intimate bond when they raise their young. They usually choose the tallest and oldest trees. And when they find a hole that's big enough, they'll seal the entrance with mud, feces, and regurgitated food. This will be the female's home for about 5 months. Hornbills will only raise one chick a year, protecting the hatchling until it's strong enough to fly. While she's in the nest, the male is the family's sole provider. The gular pouch in the esophagus is full of nutritious figs, and he'll deliver his cargo several times a day. But being this predictable leaves the helmeted hornbill vulnerable. Hunters stake out both fig and suspected nest trees. Helmeted hornbills are sought after for their helmet-like casques, which are sold in the illegal wildlife trade. They're critically endangered. And if an adult male is killed, there's a good chance that the rest of the family will starve. For now, the male takes off for another run. Hopefully, he'll return to care for his partner and offspring.